Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my makeup routine. First I'm going to be starting off with the Master Primer from Maybelline. I'm just going to put that all over my face to contain the oiliness from my T-zone area, my cheeks and forehead. For my brows, I'm going in with the Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics in shade number 5. This is my favorite brow pencil. I usually start underlining the bottom of the brow and then go towards the end, and then I go towards the up. And you just want to do lightly strokes and then fill in the empty areas. But you don't want to go too dark either, because then it's going to be too dark and it's going to look really bad. So just lightly want to go over all your hairs, especially in the front. You want to make sure that you fill in very lightly, because that way it defines and it gives it a smooth look. Now that the brows are done and filled in, I'm going to go ahead with the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte. I believe my color is light medium honey, and then I'm going to just outline the brows with an eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to outline it. That way it can look a little bit more smoother than just with the pencil itself. That's just how I like my brows. You don't have to do this extra step. But if you do, just keep watching. Next, I'm going in with the Mario Badescu setting spray, and I'm going to spray it on my Real Technique blender. And I put the Shape Tape concealer on my eyelids. That way we can set the eyes for the eyeshadow. I'm just going to keep blending until all that's set, nice and smooth. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead with a translucent powder from MAC Cosmetic in collaboration with Patrick Star. I know they don't have this longer, I believe, available. It was just an addition, collaboration he had, I think, a couple years ago, and I stacked up on them, so I still have it. And I know my brows are looking crazy with all that concealer around, but it's 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 worth it. Now that my eyelids are prepped, I'm going in with the Milani Most Wanted eyeshadow palette, the 130 Burning Desire palette, and I'm going to be using the second color on the palette, which is like a brown, at the same time orange tone to it. It's a really nice neutral tone. I usually use more than one eyeshadow, but for the basis of this video, I'm just going to be using one to make it more simple. I usually use 2 or 3 colors, but like I said, just for the base of the video, I'm just going to use one. So you just want to blend your eyeshadow until it looks smooth and clean and fresh and not too patchy. And you just want to blend. Blending is your friend when it comes to makeup, so too much blending is not bad. Next, my favorite makeup product is the eyeliner. I have been using the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner since like forever. It's one of my favorite eyeliners ever, and it's really cheap. They're like $3. Can't beat the price. So I'm gonna try to attempt to do a wing on video. I usually can't because I'm kind of blind, and I need to like be like all up in the mirror just to see. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to. So I'm just gonna do it off camera. That way it can look really sharp. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. I'm gonna wet my beauty blender with the Mario Badescu and start off blending away. So I usually start with any foundation on the chin area and then the upper lip to see how the foundation is gonna be on my skin. That way I know how to work with it. But since I've been using this foundation for such a long time, I already know and I got the hang of it. So I usually start the chin upper, then I go to the sides of my face where the cheekbone, the cheek area, under eye, that whole side. And then I do it to the other side as well, and then forehead and so forth. I always tend to leave the foundation for the area of my nose last. I just don't know why. I just been doing it like that for so long. I guess it's because it's one of the areas where it's oily and dry at the same time. So I just want to like cover it as much as possible. Next, I'm going to go ahead with the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply that under my eye, just for a little bit extra coverage. Not that I need it because my foundation itself provides all that, but I just like to be a little bit extra. That's just my preference. And then I'm just going to blend that with the Beauty Blender until it's all nice and set. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead with the translucent powder from MAC and then just pat it on there just so it can set completely. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead with the Milani blush. This is in the color Candid Coral, I believe. It's a nice pink blush. I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheek. When you're applying your blush, you always want to smile because that's where you see the shape of your cheekbones. So you just want to smile and apply that as much as you want. And yeah. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick. In the color Amazonian, I believe that's how you pronounce it, in shade number 70. It's a really nice brown shade. I really like this color. What I also like is the applicator that it comes with. It has like, I guess it's like a lip liner itself. And it has like really sharp edges. That way you don't go over your lip line. So it's pretty good if you have trouble just applying lipsticks in general without lip liner. This is a really good lipstick to use. And the last little touch that I'm going to do is apply a little bit more setting spray just to set that all in. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'm going to be writing all the products I use down below in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.